What's up everyone, today we're going to be talking about the new Moto G 5G 2022 and it's only $0. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone out there is safe. As you guys can see right here, I'm just going to pop this up on the screen. On Metro by T-Mobile's website, it says the Motorola Moto G 5G 2022 has just released. Motorola changed the names of your phones. It took me like 5 times to read I know I seem a little bit slow, but it took me about 5 times to read that. Anyway, let's just chill out for a second. So as you guys see, we got a new phone at Metro by T-Mobile. That's cool. That's all great. That's good. Motorola Moto G 5G 2022. Seems like we have a review on here already. It says 1 star or whatever, but we're gonna go over the specifications and stuff. But it says upgrade to super fast speed with the new Moto G 5G with lightning fast 5G. Going down, we have 5G speeds for all, obviously. 50 megapixel camera system with dual capture, up to 2-day battery life, fast and fluid 6.5 inch 90 hertz display, and 64 gigabytes of internal storage. So it says the original retail price of this device is going to be $230, and when you switch it's going to be $0. So obviously good price when you switch. Honestly, the specifications look fine, but let's go a little bit deeper into this. So as far as our battery talk time, we got 36 hours. Type-C port, obviously. Looks like we do have 5 gigahertz connectivity and Bluetooth 5.1, so that's decent. So for our processor, we're going to have a MediaTek Dimensity 700. That's going to be an octa-core up to 2.2 gigahertz. So honestly, not that bad. If you're getting this phone for free, I wouldn't pay $240 or $50. Let's see, $230 out of pocket for that type of chipset, but we have that inside of there. It doesn't say what Android we're running, so I'm not sure if we're running Android 12. I would assume it's 12. If it is 11, that kind of sucks, honestly. But we'll figure that out. If you guys want me to pick up this phone, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. But we also have 4 gigabytes of RAM in here, 1 terabyte of memory, and we can actually expand our storage via micro SD card, so that's great. And it looks like for our cameras, we have a 50 megapixel camera with a 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. So we have a triple camera setup on the rear, and for a front-facing camera, we have a 13 megapixel front-facing camera, and these are all of the bands and the frequencies that we have on here. So if you guys want to go ahead and pause the video and take a look at those, you guys can go ahead and do so. But as far as the specification goes, great phone for $0. Obviously, if you guys are going to switch, you guys like Moto Actions and all that good stuff, great to see that. It looks like if you just want to buy this outright or if you want to upgrade, it's going to be about $230 though. So if there's anyone out there that wants to upgrade, you guys already have the A52, A53, the Moto G stylus. This phone doesn't look too amazing, but we got a new phone. Now there is one thing though, Motorola, change the names of your phones, or I'm just gonna stop covering this stuff, honestly. Nah, but all jokes aside, we got a new phone out there at Metro by T-Mobile. Now there is a new phone that's going to be coming very soon to Metro by T-Mobile, and I think you guys are going to be extremely surprised. And I want you guys to guess in the comment section down below which company is releasing a new phone. Let me know in the comment section down below. But once they release the news officially, I can talk about it. But I think you guys are going to be extremely excited.